Bajans love pork ham, but today we're doing something different. Beef ham from BADMC. Let's stir it and add our spices. Let's get this in the oven, 350 degrees, for about half an hour. While that's in the oven, let's get on to our spicy pork sausages wrapped in bacon. And this pork sausages is by BADMC.
Keep you and your family safe with Sol Gas. Here are some helpful tips to keep you and your family safe when cooking with Sol Gas. Never tamper with the cylinder and only use the Sol-approved regulator and a hose designed for use with LPG. Securely connect the regulator to the cylinder valve until it clicks into place and is properly fastened and secured. It is important to check the hose clips and the rubber hose to ensure they're in good working condition and properly secured. It is important to check your hose and regulator and change them as needed. Change your rubber hose every 2 years. Change your regulator every 5 years. If there are signs of damage to your regulator, contact an approved Sol Gas distributor or a Sol service station for replacement immediately. Safety first with Sol Gas.
Get your sausages, get your bacon. We're going to cut each sausage in 3 and wrap it nicely with the bacon. I'll show you that process. No need for a skewer. They're going to be perfect. Let's get these into a hot sizzling pan. We've cut up our onions, our peppers, our tomatoes, and our garlic. We've added them to the pan to give nice flavor and also to add some texture to the dish. And while they're dancing in the pan, let's get some orange marmalade from Rose Laflamme and add to the pork. We're going to elevate the dish with some blackstrap molasses. We're going to turn these flavors and add some Swiss lentils for some flavor. The beef ham is smelling really good. Soon time to come out. We're going to get this beef ham sliced and plated family style. Let's get these vegetables in to finish off the dish. Looks amazing, looks amazing. So let me take a bit of ham, the beef ham. Fantastic. But let me just finish off with some microgreens. And that's another one on how to cook like a Bajan. I'm Chef Gregory. See you next time.
Welcome to the new Do It Best Christmas store.
And get into the holiday spirit of our new collection. My favorite is the dark truffle. Come and get yours now.